Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Post multiple haul videos, shopping, all that. So if you like all that kind of content, definitely hit that subscribe button in there because you don't want to miss my videos. So yeah, today's video is going to be a multi-store shopping haul. We have Bath and Body, we have Dollar General, we have Walmart, we have the thrift store. We have a little bit of everything. So grab a snack, grab a drink, hit that subscribe button, and let's go. Okay, so our first thing is my birthday gift from Sephora. I got this. I don't really know. Okay, so we got the Dr. Dennis Gross Universal Daily Peel. Then we got the Fill and Repair Serum. Some confetti. Don't want my cat getting out. And then this Blur and Repair Cream. So that's just a little free birthday gift I got. So there's that. So I went to Roscov's and they have all these like dumplings and stuff. So I got 2 different dumplings and this mystery mini dumplings. Which colors we get? You get 2 dumplings and 2 cases. $6. So let's see what we get. Oh. Okay, so we got this little guy, and then we got this little guy, the pink, and some stickers, and okay, that's it. So I guess the cases are like these. So we got pink and white, still fun. Then we got 2 dumplings. So we got the mystery dumplings from the rainbow dumpling, and these were only $4. So that's why I got this. So let's see what this one is. Okay, so we got the rainbow. Okay. So number 1. And let me just rip off the packaging for the second one. Come on. There we go. And our second one. Oh, gold. I never got a gold one before. So, gold. So that was fun. So, we get the mystery, I guess? No. Well, you find the rainbow bottom. So I got the rainbow and the gold. So, pretty fun. On to the next. Then we went to Dollar General and they had some goodies. So first off, I got this little silver glitter coin purse for $1 because I thought it was super cute. And for $1, had to. So about that. Then we found some of the new Ashley Bell body mists. Hydrate your skin on the go. This one is berry medley. It smells super good, by the way. So we have that one. And they're only $1 also. And then we got the Tropical Muse. So we have that one. Then we got the Salted Caramel, which I'm most excited for. It smells so good. Then we got the Pacifica Island. It smells very beachy. So that's that. I think there's only 4. Then I got these Clary's Micellar Cleansing Wipes. Gently wipes away makeup, sweat, and dirt for all skin types. You get 30 in here. So, fun. Then we got some hand sanities. So we have the Lemon Sugar Blossom. So we got that one. And then we got pineapple. So there is those two. And we're on to another. Now we have Bath and Body. I had tons of free gifts with purchase. I had to purchase stuff, got free gifts, but let's get into it. So the first thing I got is the Intense Hydration Lip Butter, 8 hours moisturization. So perfect for this time of year. So got that. Then I got this duck little, or goose, whatever you want to call it, little hand sanitizer holder because I'm obsessed with ducks. Couldn't tell. And yeah, so we got that. Then I got this little sneaker. I thought this was so cute because I have the Croc from when they did the whole Croc thing. So now I have this little tennis shoe. So, hand sanitizer holder. So cute. Then I got the pina colada swirl because I wanted to put it in the duck. So, I mean, I could sell my hand sanitizer holders, but I wanted to get one that looked cute in the duck. If I can get it in the duck, that is. Doesn't really want to fit, but you get the point. Then we got the strawberry pound cake little travel body cream. Love this. Then we got the Sleep Lavender and Vanilla Essential Oil Pillow and Perfume Mist. This stuff is so good. Then we got the Pear Berry body wash. This smells so good. And I didn't want the perfume or the lotion because I got that already. I got lotions and perfumes. So I got the shower gel and this smells so good. So I got that. Then we got some other throwback scents. So we got the Bali Mango Fragrance Mist. I wanted this in the shower gel and lotion, but they didn't have it. So I got the spray. This smells literally summer. This is summer. Then, what I'm most excited for, because I never tried it, this is the Lemon Pomegranate Cream. I cannot even explain how, summery and good this is. Literally. So, and actually, these are body and hair. Never knew that. So we have the spray. And then, of course, I got the matching body cream because of how good this truly smells. And it is lemon cream, red pomegranates, iced raspberries, white woods, and peony petals. So, that's what I got at Bath & Body Works today. Now we are going to do Target, and Target and Five Below, and then Walmart's going to be its own video because I got so much. So keep watching. Okay, now Target. So from the dollar section, I got these little compressed sponge. This one says the dishes can wait. And then this one says the kitchen is closed. I thought these were just funny. And you can never have enough sponges. Then, from the dollar section, I got these $1 ducks. How cute is this little french fry duck? Are we kidding? We all know my obsession with rubber ducks. So we have the french fry. And then we have this little corn on the cob. Are we kidding right now? So, we got that. Then I got the Holler and Glow Glaze Over S'mores Donut Scented. And these fit the Five Below and the Walmart little cases. So we got that one. Then I got the Vitamask Lemon Sorbet limited edition lip mask. Then we have Pistachio Gelato. And the last one is Berry Popsicle. So, a ton from Target, but that's that. Okay, so last is Five Below. Got some blind boxes. So we got the hard whatever. So let's see what we got. Oh. Okay, I don't know. I guess this has to be the limited edition. So we got this one, which is not on the box. So I guess this is our limited edition, which I'm not complaining about. So we got this one, super cute. Then I got another one because, 2 is just a good number. So let's see what we got. It's yellow. Let's see. Oh, it's a duck. Yes, that's what I wanted. I love ducks. So we got the little ducky. Super cute. So that's that. Then we got the, what are these called? Mini motions. The emotional fairies. So we get 1 plush and bag accessory. Okay, anyway, let's just. Let's see. So it's the cow. These are weird. These are very weird. So, and then you get a little sticker with it. And what's the name of this? Boo Moo, the sad moo fairy. Yeah, these are weird, but they're funny. So, we got this little weird thing. So that's that. Then we got, the last thing is the fairy foo-foo. So super soft bunny clip-ons, collect them all. So that's what we can get. And let's hope I can open this through the silicone packaging. But I love mystery things. They had no dumplings. I mean, not dumplings. They had no squishies because obviously I tried to get a squishy. So, how cute is this little case, first off? It's like a picnic basket. But let's see what bunny we got. I kind of want the pink one, honestly. But I really don't care because it's my first one. So, I can't open it. What do we, oh. Can we see it? This is so weird. Like, I'm so confused. Oh, okay. So, we got the white little bunny. It's kind of like hard to see it. But, yeah, we got the white little bunny. They don't have names or anything, so. Super soft bunny. Okay, that's it. So, we got the little white bunny. Super cute. Yeah, so that is my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm switching it up because I don't know, I feel like I just need new content on this channel. I feel like everyone's getting bored of my normal content, not getting as many views. So we're switching it up. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Please share the channel, watch my videos, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.